Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you'll be fine and taking good care of yourself. So today we are going to start our next story in story outlines. So let's get started with the outline reading first, and then we'll build up a story, and after that we'll find out a suitable title for it. And at the very end we'll suggest a moral to the story as well. So let's get started with the reading of the outline. A merchant earns a large sum of money by selling his good. Once there was a merchant, he sells goods and has to go a long way. बहुत दूर जाना है. Already getting dark, बहुत शाम हो रही है. A nail falls from his horse's shoe. Now, nail is basically used for horses, for the running horses. It is kind of a shoe that is attached on the lower bottom of their feet or their hoof of the horses, and they are fixed with the help of nails. कील लगा के उनको fix भी किया जाता. Now in this picture that is displayed in front of you, you can see that nails are being pricked into the hoofs of the horse, and this lower part is called the horse's shoe. So these are basically the horse's shoe that accompany or that help them in running for longer time. So this is how the nails are being injected or being pricked in the hoofs of the horses, and they are sensorless part of the body, so they do not get hurt with that. So this is how you can see in this picture that this is the back bottom of the horses, and when their shoe get detached with them, they become lame. They are unable to run. They can walk, but they are unable to run. So the helps provide them a flat bottom, so that is how they could run. Then what happens? The inn boy warns him, does not care. इनका boy जो होता है वो warn करता है, but he doesn't care. Hurries away. Horse becomes lame. Robbers appear, kill him and make away in the money. Now you get to know कि पूरी story में क्या होगा. If for example you are reading or you are doing this story for the first time, so you know the story, what happens, you just have to build it upon. So let's get to the text of the story, how we have built a story for you, and you can see that what are the extra information that we have added in it. Once there lived a merchant in a town. One day he had to go a long way on his business. There was a merchant, एक ताजर था जो कि एक टाउन में रहता था, and one day he had to go a long way. एक बार उसको बहुत दूर कहीं जाना था for business tour, अपने काम के दौरे पर, and it was already getting dark, और उस वक्त already यानी पहले ही बहुत शाम हो रही थी. And a nail fell from the horse's shoe, यानी horse's shoe के ऊपर जो nails लगे होते हैं, एक nail उसमें से गिर गया. Definitely it got loose. At night he stayed at an inn. Now inn is a small kind of a rest area, you can say, or a tea area where and they are usually made on the long ways. जैसे motorway पे आप जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे that's not a city area, so that is an area that is far away from the residential area. So there are small hotels and small rest areas are made in the way, so they are called the inn. So at night he stayed at inn, and usually they open all night, day and night services होती हैं उनकी, because they are made for the people who travel long. So the inn boy warned him to mend the nail of the shoe of horse. जो इनका एक लड़का था उसने बहुत दफ़ा वार्न किया कि वो हॉर्स के शू के नेल को ठीक कर ले, बट ही वॉज इन अ ग्रेट हरी, लेकिन उसको बहुत जल्दी थी. सो ही डिड नॉट केयर फॉर द वार्निंग. सो उसने वार्निंग की परवाह ना की. ही कंटिन्यूड हिज जर्नी, और उसने अपने सफ़र को जारी रखा. द नेल रैन इन द हॉर्सेज हूफ, और shoe and made him lame. तो क्या हुआ कि उसका जो नेल जो गिरा था कि वो दौड़ने की वजह से उसके हूफ या उसके शू के अंदर प्रिक कर गया बैक साइड पे, which actually was very hurting for definitely any animal. So lame, langda, unable to run or even walk. So now the horse couldn't walk any longer. So अब क्या हुआ कि वो ज़्यादा भाग नहीं सकता था या चल भी नहीं सकता था. In the meantime, robbers appeared from the jungle. और दरमियान में क्या हुआ कि रॉबर्स कुछ डाकू वो आ गए जंगल से निकल कर, and they killed the merchant, looted his money and made their way. As he was a businessman, so he must have some money or something important regarding money. So they looted him and they made their way or they went away. So there are again two morals for the story that can be: haste makes waste. जल्दी का काम जो है वो ठीक नहीं होता, ठीक है, एंड या जल्दी हमेशा ख़राबी पैदा करती है. एंड द सेकेंड इज़ a stitch in time saves nine. Now these both are the idiomatic sentences or idiomatic phrases. So a stitch in time मतलब वक्त पर किया हुआ या टांका हुआ कोई भी काम अगले मज़ीद टांकों से आपको बचाता है, यानी जो काम आप वक्त पे कर लेते हैं वो आपको अगले आने वाली कई मुश्किलात से बचा सकता है. So this was the moral of the story and that's how the story is being built. Now you can see that we have not written the story in the detail, we have not repeated any point, and we have explained each and every moment or each and every imagery at the same time. So that is it for today. Inshallah from tomorrow we will be starting our next story. So till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.